Let's take a ride from a bird's eye view through the most beautiful city in the world to live in, that is Gig Harbor, Washington. This little piece of paradise is located just over the Tacoma Narrows Bridge, a short 10 to 15 minute drive from Tacoma and approximately an hour from Seattle. A quick 40-minute drive lands you at SeaTac International Airport, and the Puget Sound Naval Shipyard, which is located in Bremerton, is just 25 minutes away. Our central location, historic waterfront, and incredibly supportive community make Gig Harbor a top place to live in the Pacific Northwest. There are approximately 11,000 people that reside within the city limits of Gig Harbor, which is spread out over 6.13 square miles. The weather here is very mild. You will find July to be the driest and December to be the wettest months. In the springtime, the weather will range between 55 and 65 degrees on average. Our summers here are unbeatable, where temperatures range between 70 and 80 degrees. In the winter, you can count on the weather being in the 40s and dipping below that. Even occasionally, it will snow. Speaking of snow, there are a host of mountains to choose from to ski or visit, all within a 2 to 3 hour drive. Take a stroll through downtown and stop in at one of the boutique shops or swing through one of a handful of breweries which reside in our beautiful city. There are many restaurants to choose from, whether you want to eat downtown on the water or in uptown near the theater and shopping centers. Gig Harbor is made up of 4,220 housing units, where the median price of a home at the time of this video is $565,000. Currently, there are 190 homes for sale. Don't forget about the great golf courses that are located close by. Just to name a few, Chambers Bay, Canterwood, Trophy Lake, and Gold Mountain are all within a 30-mile radius. Thank you for taking a ride with me and learning about Gig Harbor. Now I'm going to sit back and let you enjoy the rest of these views.